Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Open floor plan. 2-story home, all bedrooms upstairs. Large living space downstairs with open kitchen. Updated quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash and stainless appliances. Formal dining or flex space in the front of home. Oversized master suite with large closet. Both secondary bedrooms are good sized with walk-in closets. Utility room upstairs.